People buy for one of four different reasons. The most powerful of those four reasons is ways to avoid and overcome pain. And pain is a deep-seated emotional need that would certainly compel somebody to buy something. I'm asking you to join us in a workshop all about how to uncover pain, learn a strategically organized set of questions that will help you get to that deep-seated emotional need that is extremely compelling. One thing I want to leave you with is if there's no pain, there's no sale. So why not find out right away whether or not they really have pain, and why not find out right away what their pain is, which will compel them to buy from you. And the more pain they have, the bigger their budget is. So become an expert at uncovering pain and having those kinds of meaningful conversations where you're actually having the prospect relive the pain. Because in order to relieve the pain, we must get the prospect to relive the pain. So join us for this workshop on pain. Coming up soon, register here. Take care now.